In Adobe Photoshop, go to File, New. Switch from pixels to inches and set the width to 22 inches. Adjust the height as needed. Here, we'll use 48 inches. Set the background to transparent and click Create. Next, open your Finder or File Explorer. Select the PNG files you want to use, right-click, and choose Open with your version of Photoshop. Once the images are open, click on the layer, then to copy use the shortcut Command or Control plus C. Go back to the canvas you created and paste the image with Command or Control plus V. To resize, use the transform controls in the right panel. Set the width to 10 inches and click the proportional link button to maintain proportions. Drag and position the image on the canvas, leaving space around the edges for margins. Repeat this process for each image. Copy, paste, resize, and position on the canvas. Ensure there's a small gap between images to make cutting easier after printing. Once all images are arranged, select all layers, merge layers, and go to File, Save As, save the file as a PNG, rename it, and click Save. You're all set.